Hello and welcome. This is a drink called how make. Carbonated Gatorade Orange Pineapple Coconut. First thing gotta do is you open the lid and get the mix. 2 tablespoons and you pour it into this glass. Then you pour in the water, and last but not least, you pour in the pineapple coconut sparkling water, and you pour it into this glass. Just gotta let it settle. Ooh. And then after that, you pour in the water a little bit, and here is your Carbonated Gatorade Orange Pineapple Coconut. Enjoy, folks, and thank you for watching. Peace.